Hello Thrifters, how are you today? Welcome to another Thrift Lift video. So a friend of mine, Janice Mariano, asked me to do a shoulder bag or shoulder bag or I think a shoulder bag or a purse. And so I came up with this super cute like a crossbody bag. This is the only easiest that I can do at the moment. So it is made of how do you say that? It's just over here. It is made of leftovers. It is made of leftovers from from my old trip clips. So you're gonna see it later. Which parts did I use to make this one? So yeah, I had this chain before as well. I had this chain before. This is from an old bag that I had that I bought in a thrift store as well, and it was kind of it was all worn out, so I decided to keep. Good thing I decided to keep this vintage chain. I don't know, I love chains in a crossbody bags. So yeah, it's so vintage. How to say that? It's like a vintage chain, and yeah, I decided to use it in this super cute crossbody bag. So yeah, see. Ta-da. And I have found this. How do you call this one? This is like a button actually, and I just know I had a lot of buttons, different types of buttons, and I just have chosen this one because I don't know, it's just so cute, and yeah, it comes with the color of the chain, and I don't know, I just think that it fits well to this bag. So yeah, this is what I made. So if you're gonna open it, it's not so perfectly done. Right here, I hand sew it because I'm afraid that my machine will break. So yeah, this is my first time, guys, to make this crossbody bag. So yes, so I don't know the technique yet, the right techniques on how to do it. So this is how I do it because it's my first try at the moment. So this is the way that I figured out how to do it, the easiest way. And so yeah, you can put, I think this one and this bag, it can fit with this bag, it can fit like a little bit of your lipstick, powder, just common makeups, and your cell phone and your wallet, just on the go crossbody bag. So yeah, if you want to know how did I do it, just keep watching.